let's have a look at this shape here. How do you work out the perimeter of this shape? Well, let's start here, like P equals. Now let's imagine you're an ant. You start here. You got to walk all the way up here. The distance will be A. So P equals A, and when you're here, you've got to walk to the right. That would be another distance of A. Okay, so from here now, you've got to walk downwards. So that'd be plus C, and then from here, you've got to walk all the way back to your original position. So that would be plus B. So now, same. So it's like your elephant here, giraffe, hippo. Because elephant, they are the same type, so you can actually merge them together. So it's like this. Okay, so the formula for the perimeter is given by this. So we've just created a formula for the perimeter of this shape. But now, how do you find out the formula for the area of this shape, the area here? Okay, you don't actually need to understand the whole thing. Just watch how it's done. You don't actually need to understand it fully for the time being. So to work out the area of this shape here, you've got to split it up like this. Okay, so you've got a square here and a triangle here. So work out the area of the square, work out the area of the triangle, and then add them together. So let's see, the area of this square here would be this, basically the height here, and then you times it by the length, which is also A. So the area of this whole thing here is given by A times A, which is A squared. Okay, so this bit here is actually A squared. Okay, so we've got the first part. The first part is A squared. The hard part is this bit here. How do you work out the area of the triangle? Remember in the last video, we said to work out the area of the triangle, you've got to get this height here, let's say X here, and this is Y here. You get X times Y, that will give you the whole rectangle, and because this is exactly half of this, the area of this triangle here is basically get X times Y and then divided by 2. So X times Y gives you the whole rectangle, and then you divide by 2. This whole thing here represents the triangle. Now let's go back to here. What is the height of this thing here? Well, if this is A here, this must also be A. So the height of this is A. Okay, because these two are parallel. So basically, if this height here is A, if this is A here, well, this is also A. Okay, and then the hard part is, what is the length of this thing here? What is the length here? So hang on, let me tidy this up. Hang on. So let's see. Hang on. Let me give you this one here. So this is the same triangle, the same shape here. So we've worked out how to work. We worked out the area of this thing here, which is A squared. Now the hard part is this bit here. We know that this is also A. That the height here is A. The hard part is what is this part? What is this length here? Press pause and see if you can figure out what this length is. Okay, in terms of A, B, and C. So you're only allowed to use A, B, and C to work out this. Basically, come up with something for the length there. So press pause and think about it. Okay, this length here is actually you can imagine it as like B take away A, because this whole length here. So you've got this whole length here from here to here. You can imagine it as being a string. You've got a string from here to here. That's B. Okay, and this bit here is, if you get a string and cut this bit here, which this bit here is actually A. Okay, because from here to here is A. So from here to here is also A. Well, if you have a string which is length B here, and then you cut cut away A, what's left would be B take away A. So that exists. This length here is actually B take away A. Okay. So hang on. Let me do this again. So the way we do this is just to cut this up, and this length here is actually B take away A. Okay. So now we just need to get A here times this bubble here, and then divide by 2. That would give us this whole thing here. Okay. So for the triangle, it would be A. And then because this exists in a bubble, because you've got to work this out first, so we've got to use brackets. So A times that bubble there, divided by 2. This whole thing here would give us the area of this triangle here. So hang on. So the total area equals, well, this bit here is A squared, isn't it? The square inside there. So it would be A squared, and then plus the area here. This area here is given by this whole thing here. So it would be this over 2. Okay. So now we've just come up with a formula for the area of this shape here. Okay. You don't actually need to fully understand this, but I just want to show you that it's possible. Okay.